If we have to cough in the bent elbow, why are we still greeting with the elbow? Can't that lead to contamination?
Okay, I'm trying not to smile. Now, the whole purpose, first of all, of moving away from greeting with the hand is that because the respiratory droplets can get on your hand and you can touch a surface, touch someone and spread it, then we thought that if you avoid the hand contact, we can significantly decrease the respiratory droplets. And so generally speaking, one doesn't go around touching surfaces with their elbow. Okay, and so by asking persons to greet with the outside of the elbow, we thought that that was a significant way of you decreasing the chance of spreading the virus. Yes, you're making a point that if persons are coughing into their elbows and we are greeting with the elbow, there's a risk of transmission. But you're also forgetting that we ask that you wear a mask. And so you really should be coughing and sneezing into your mask. And so hopefully if you're doing that, there would not be any significant contamination by the elbow. But one of the things you can opt to do also is just not to greet at all. And so if you choose not to greet by the elbow, then that is even better, because don't forget, one of the main things we speak about is social distancing, saying 6 feet from someone. And so if you try to stay 6 feet from everyone, you will not have to worry about greeting with the elbow at all. Okay.